What is cryptocurrency? Money has changed a lot over time. First it was gold, paper, cards, and now even apps on your phone. But some time ago in 2009, something totally new appeared: cryptocurrency. A form of money that doesn't need banks or governments. Let's explore how it started, what it's used for today, and why it matters. Crypto means hidden, and then I'm sure you know what currency means. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is digital money. You can't touch it like cash, but you can use it online to send, buy, or invest. The key difference is that it doesn't rely on a bank. Instead, it's powered by computer networks and something called the blockchain, a secure digital record of every transaction. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, created in 2009. It was invented by a mysterious person, or maybe a group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows exactly who they are. The idea came after the 2008 financial crisis, when people started to lose trust in banks. Bitcoin was designed to be money that's controlled by people, not governments. No printing, no central bank, just code and a community. Since Bitcoin, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created. Ethereum, not just money, it's like a giant computer that runs apps and smart contracts, things like games, DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs. Dogecoin started as a meme but built a strong community. Even Elon Musk tweets about it. Stablecoins, like USDT or USDC, these are tied to the dollar, so their value doesn't bounce around as much. They're used to move money quickly across the world. Solana, known for being super fast, it's powering apps and Web3 projects. Each type of crypto tries to solve different problems: speed, privacy, or building apps. So, what are people actually doing with crypto? Sending money across borders instantly, without bank fees. Buying NFTs, digital art, music, or collectibles. Playing blockchain-based games where you can own and trade in-game items. And yes, some people use it as an investment, hoping the value will rise. But it's not all hype about being decentralized. Crypto is actually risky. Prices can skyrocket and crash in days. People getting scammed, losing money overnight, and accounts getting hacked are real problems. That's why learning before investing is super important. Alright, here's a quick recap. Crypto started with Bitcoin in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Dogecoin, and stablecoins, each with different uses. It's changing how we think about money and technology, but it comes with risks too. Oh, and if you're curious about how crypto connects to the bigger picture of the internet, we covered Web3 in our last video. Check it out to see how it all ties together. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring Web3 basics together.